welcome to my channel. My name is Anna, and yeah. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go and subscribe to my channel. There is a red button, you can press it. And guys, give a big thumbs up on this video. So guys, now I'll tell you the truth. Guys, you're thinking what truth? Guys, today which happened with me, that truth. Guys, yeah, that truth. Guys, today just happened something with me. I tell you, if I will tell you guys, you will be aware or not, I don't know guys, but yeah. Guys, today something happened with me. I will tell you the whole incident, whatever happened, and guys, I will tell you whatever is going on in 3-4 days, 3-4 days, months. I don't know, guys, but that much I will tell you, that much incident. Guys, if you understand, please give a like and like. So yeah. Guys, firstly, something happened which is I will firstly to tell you the today's incident. This is about my sis, my twin. I call her my twin sis. Yeah, and yeah. So we both were playing. Today we were playing Adopt Me. Suddenly, her friend came. She was quite nice, and I was happy that my sis is happy. So yeah, sometimes 3-4 days I scold her because of her friends. Then I told her today I don't scold her. She's very nice, and yeah, that's why I didn't scold her today. Today I was happy, and yeah, that's why. So I thought to just be nice to her friend, and so I was nice. I didn't thought about that. That was not my plan either. I just thought about it. That her friend is also nice. I think so. I must be nice to her. She will feel very good that I am very happy. So I was happy. But until that time, when my we were trying to make a story, and that all we were happy, okay, yeah. And then her friend left. So we thought that it's okay. We will play like that. That I thought. So we were just playing we were not playing, guys, seriously. So when she left, I told her. She told my sis told that it's not. I will not play with you guys. I just show you the chat. She Unicorn 6 Lover. She's my sis. I will not play. Where it is. I will not play with you. Okay, guys. Then I asked her why. So she told you do what you want. Guys, today nothing I did with her, and I was happy. Okay, and sometimes I called her a lot. So I think it was that. I don't think that's her problem. Guys, if my sis is watching this video, that means Unicorn 6 Love Ella. If you guys are watching her videos, please subscribe to her channel also and my channel too. Guys, if Ella, you are watching this video, please keep in mind that today nothing I did. You can't scold me for that. And Ella, I'm so sorry to scold your friends about it. You please don't be angry with it. But I also feel something, no? I know you also feel. That's why I told you. No, so sorry now. I'm sorry that whatever happened, whatever is cold, please forget that. So yeah, and I also feeling, no. Then also I'm saying you sorry. That's not. I'm not saying you sorry, yeah. You are my sis. You are like my. You are my elder sister, na? Why you are doing like that with me then? Guys, we both have been experience of I Am Sana. We both seriously like I Am Sana and Moody. They both their both videos are so inspiring. We both make type of that videos only. Guys, we are making one video. So guys, please be ready for that. On my channel it will come, or else on my sister's channel. You can check. It's in description below. And guys, be ready to subscribe one more channel. So guys, if you are ready to subscribe, you have to, guys, you are ready, what you will subscribe, right? Am I right, guys? You will subscribe, no? Guys, it's my bro's channel. I will give you link in the description, but not today. When my any other videos will come down. Please, I request you. Ella, please don't do with me like that. I don't want you to treat me like that. I know I treat you very bad. I'm sorry for that. So sorry for that, guys. And guys, this. I will show you something, guys. This 1 minute, guys. I'll just show you. Guys, this train, I didn't got it by my by my guys, can I tell you a Hindi word? My mehnat, because guys, this is my scissors, and guys, I have kept it so nicely, and I wouldn't trade it to someone because it's my scissors. I know my sis will feel very bad if I will. So I have kept everything, whatever she gave me. I've kept it very nicely. Nothing I've traded someone else. It's my sisters that I think. That's why I don't trade anyone. Any common thing also what bees. It's okay for me. Common is also a gold for me, because if my sis gives anything to me, that all is gold for me. Not only this is legendary. That means not that I like it. That's why I will not give it to someone, because guys, my gold thing is the best. My sister's things are my are gold for me, guys. And guys, if you think this bat is this bat is not mine, this is my sister, and this is mine bat, which I got today. And my sis gave me today only the bat, but it was, she got it yesterday only. She wanted the bat, but she gave me. I don't know why didn't wanted it, but yeah, she gave me. So guys, I'm ending this video here. If you want to see the part 2, or else you want to see the stories undercover videos, you can please comment me. I will soonly get the story videos and the part 2 of that of the Nemi Frog. I mean the guys, the story which I have, the jealous Glypto. Yeah, the jealous Glypto or something. I don't know, guys. I will the video is in the description below. You can check it out. Okay, guys. Bye, guys. Love you all, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and give a huge big thumbs up on this video. Bye, guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah.